In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and automate GPTs with Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, look for the Create button. This is essentially where all the magic starts. Next, once you've clicked on Create, navigate to the section labeled Zaps. This is where you'll find all the automated workflows that you'll create. Now, it's time to set up your trigger. Click on the trigger option. For this automation, we are going to choose Airtable as our source. So go ahead and search for Airtable in the app options. After that, click on it to select Airtable. You'll need to choose an event within Airtable. For this example, we will click on New Record. This indicates that our automation will trigger whenever there's a new entry added in Airtable. Now, we need to set up the action part of our workflow. Click on Action next. Here's where you will search for chatgpt. Click on chatgpt, which is provided by OpenAI, to select it for this step. Once you've done that, you'll be able to choose your action. You will now click on Choose an Event once more and select Conversation. This allows ChatGPT to start a conversation based on the new records you added in Airtable. At this point, you might be prompted to sign into your ChatGPT account. Go ahead and log into your account so that your Zapier can access it. You'll also want to connect your Airtable account at this time, so make sure you're logged in there as well. After you've signed into both accounts, click on the Add Account button and select Continue. This will link your ChatGPT and Airtable accounts to your Zap workflow. Next, you'll need to configure the details for your Zap. You will specify how information flows from Airtable to ChatGPT and vice versa. This step is quite vital as it shapes how your automation works. Once you've set everything up, it's time to test your Zap. This is an important step to ensure that your workflow is functioning correctly. Zapier will allow you to send a test to see if it can pull in a sample record from Airtable and send it over to ChatGPT to start a conversation. If everything checks out, you'll want to turn your Zap on. This will officially activate the automation you've created. And that's a wrap. You now know how to create and automate GPTs using Zapier. Imagine how much time and effort you can save by automating these interactions. Remember, automation is a powerful tool, and by following just a few simple steps, you can streamline your processes and enhance your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.